Hey guys, welcome back to the latest Cooking with Magic. Today we're going to be making the Monte Cristo sandwich. The Monte Cristo can be found at Blue Bayou at the original Disneyland park in California. It's a very famous sandwich you can get there, and we are going to be making it today, and it's super easy and it's super tasty. So as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, do anything you can, get the word out about the podcast and about these videos. We really appreciate it. So let's get to it. Monte Cristo from Blue Bayou. Alright, so to make the Monte Cristo, it's a couple steps. First of all, you're going to assemble your sandwich. We have those ingredients here. Then you're going to put it in batter, which we have here. Then we'll deep fry it in the oil. Once it's deep fried, we will top it with powdered sugar, and then you're going to have some preserves on the side to dip it in. Now, depending on what recipe you look at, they may be blackberry preserves, they may be raspberry preserves. Just depends on where you look. I got blackberry, so that sounded good to me. But again, I think probably raspberry is a more popular preserve to use to dip it in. But so you got your sandwich ingredients. Some bread. You can just use white bread, any kind of bread you want to use. I'm using challah bread, something that's got a kind of an eggy content, kind of a thick, fluffy bread. Swiss cheese, turkey, ham. Okay, basically just going to assemble that, cut it up into slices, and dip it in our batter. For the batter, you need 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 3/4 cups of flour, an egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we'll mix that up in a minute. Make the sandwich, dip it, fry it. We're waiting for the oil to heat up right now. And again, once you're done, we'll sprinkle it with powdered sugar with some preserves to eat on the side to dip it in. Okay? Alright, for the batter, we're going to do two things. We're going to put our water and our egg in the smaller bowl, mix it, whisk it, and then in the larger bowl, we're going to put our flour, salt, baking powder, and we're going to sift it. Okay, so let's get the egg and the water in one bowl. We'll whisk that up in a second. And then flour, salt, and baking powder over here. Pick it up. Salt and baking powder. And let's sift that. And we'll whisk together the egg and the water. And we'll pour the water into the flour mixture and make our batter. Alright, and if you need a little help, you can always use some toothpicks to hold the bread together. Just make sure you take them out before you serve them, okay? So let's dip it, flip it, and fry it. Ooh, this is going to be good.
Nice and thick.
Yeah.
You want it like that?
Well, I just want to set it there.
On its side?
Yeah, maybe not.
There you go.
Okay, and as always, the official taste tester, Amanda, trying out the Monte Cristo. You've never had the sandwich before, right? Never heard of it? Never tried it? All right. Let's see how it goes. Is it crispy? Mm-hmm.
But it's squishy too.
Mm-hmm. How about the sweet and the ham with the powdered sugar and how does that taste?
I don't think it tastes bad. I was scared.
I mean, to be honest, when I ordered this dish, I just tell no powdered sugar because it's just not my thing. But Obviously,
I
wants
think
to be
it's go with the
authentic.
cheese.
The Swiss cheese with the the Swiss cheese and the preserves probably taste good together. So,
And the powdered sugar.
all right, let me give it a shot.
I'm like,
Again,
oh.
this isn't usually what I would do. This isn't normally my flavors, but we'll give it a try it like it's supposed to be made. That bread is good though. Man, you could probably make some French toast with that bread. That would be really
I was thinking that.
I don't usually like. What is that? Blackberry?
blackberry.
I don't usually like blackberries like that. It tastes good.
All right. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. The Monte Cristo from Blue Bayou. If you want to go to Disney's California and check that out for yourself over at Disneyland, you can email me at lee@magicourway.com. Check out the Facebook page at facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. On Instagram, you can find me at You Got a Friend in Lee Travel. And if you do any of that, we'll get you hooked up and booked up. So thanks, guys, for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And that is all for today. Magic out.